How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Martin with Bellevore Auto Spa. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. There'll be many videos like this, and past and present. A lot like it, so hopefully you enjoy it. Anyways, this review is going to be about DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect Interior Detailer. Nothing too special about it. This is just an interior quick detailer. It's got a pretty nice, refreshing scent. Let me just confirm because I kind of forget what it smells like. Okay, yeah, it does have a sweet scent like many of their products, so if you are a fan of sweet scents, you'll definitely like this brand. Excuse me, this brand. This is just the last product that they've sent me that I have not reviewed yet. So I've got reviews on all these other products. They were great. Quick Beads, you can see, they've all seen various degrees of use. Quick Beads, Incredible Suds, Gold Standard Polish, Rinseless Wash, Ceramic Gloss, Gold Standard Cutting Pad, Gold Standard Polishing Pad, and then the clay towel. Now the clay towel I didn't actually review like in depth because I mean it's clay towel, but I have used it. I've also got the Rag Company Ultra Clay Towel, and I like it. I like it just as much. It's a pretty good clay towel, so definitely a good product to get. So if you're doing a big order with them, go ahead and throw those things in there and save yourself some money and save yourself on shipping as well. I think it's free shipping over $50. And I've got a discount down below in the description. So you can use that discount, save yourself 10% on their products. So anyways, what we're going to do with this is I'm just going to show how effective it is, I guess you could say. So I'm going to clean the seat of my car. So this is good on every interior surface except for glass. So leather, plastic, vinyl, your dash, all that stuff. Nav screens, I'm not 100% sure. Let's go ahead and just look at the bottle real quick. So there's some first aid info, how-to video, and then yeah, it cleans and protects in one step. And I like interior detailers because a lot of vehicles I come across aren't too dirty. So interior detailers do everything at once. UV protection, so good for your dashboard and seats right there. Directions: spray product onto a clean microfiber cloth, wipe interior surface evenly, repeat until clean and dressed. Wipe away any excess product or buffed to reduce shine. Now, you can just use this with a microfiber. You can also use it with an interior scrubber, which is what we are going to do. So let me grab one. I've got my Auto Fiber Scrub Ninjas. I've got a few different kinds. I've got this wedge-shaped one. I've got this star-shaped one. I've got this block-shaped one, and I've got this sponge one. So I think I am going to go with the block-shaped one because it's easiest to grab. So I'm going to put these away. I'll link those down below as well if you're interested in purchasing. So let's get over to the driver's seat of the car. It's not going to look too dirty at first, but after we clean, we should see a difference. Oh, and by the way, if you do want a product to clean the interior without leaving protection behind, Rinseless Wash. You can use this on the inside of your car as well. It's not just for the outside, so you can clean your entire interior with that if you want to clean and then dress it after. I know I don't have it, but they do have an interior ceramic coating protectant product. So if you wanted to clean the inside of your car and use that, you could clean it either with Rinseless Wash or you could use their all-purpose cleaner. Rinseless Wash is going to be a little bit safer, more gentle, so it's not going to mess anything up. Just keep that in mind. Let's get over to the car and take a look. All right, so here we are at the front driver's seat because it's got my butt in it all the time. I haven't cleaned it probably a good 6 months. I mean, I keep my car pretty clean, so I don't have to clean it often. But we're going to go ahead and clean and scrub this side and leave this side untouched, just so you can see a comparison. So let's go ahead and get this done. So here we got our Scrub Ninja. Spray a little bit in the Scrub Ninja. I'm also just going to go ahead and spray it directly on there. Got a little bit of overspray, not a big deal. Now you don't have to do this. This is only if you want to get it like super clean. It does suds up a little bit. It's nothing significant, so don't expect, like Instagram suds, I guess you could say. But using a Scrub Ninja, just make sure you get it really clean. But otherwise, you can just wipe it off with a microfiber. It smells good. All right. So we're going to take our microfiber towel, buff off the residue, excess, so we just leave a nice clean protected surface behind. And this stuff doesn't feel too slippery like a lot of interior protectants, which is nice. So that's good. All right, get this tape off. Now, I don't know if that's showing much of a difference there. Get to focus. Like I said, my car stays pretty clean, but you can see, I don't know if the camera's showing up, but this looks nice and clean and uniform. Feels good, nice and smooth. This side, a little bit shinier. Shinier leather usually indicates there's, like, you know, oil and dirt and such on the surface, but you can see it's kind of like uneven and splotchy looking versus over here is nice and uniform. So you really give that your leather that nice, clean, fresh look. So really good stuff. And like I said, this doesn't feel super slick, which is nice, because a lot of products I use to clean the interior that leave protection behind, not all of them, but a lot of them, it leaves a really slick surface, which kind of makes you slip and slide around on your butt when you sit in the seat. You probably know what I'm talking about if you've experienced that before, but you know, nothing too crazy, so pretty good there. Next, let's clean the steering wheel, because that's a high touch area. All right, so there's the steering wheel. That red flashing you're seeing is actually an LED light, and it's because it's on a video camera, you can see the refresh rate of the light. Looking at it in person, it doesn't flash like that, but that's just a underglow LED light. It's part of the car. So we're gonna spray a little bit on the towel here. And it's nice that this isn't slippery, so you can use it to clean your steering wheel, but I'm not gonna use a Scrub Ninja for this, because you can, but it's kind of a pain to get on a steering wheel. The steering wheels usually only just got my hand oils on them. And clean that whole thing down. Nice and clean. Get your dash, steering wheel, dashboard up here. All that good stuff. Cleans everything. So, pretty good. I mean, there's a lot of products on the market that do this, but it's just another product that works good. So, happy with that. Plus, it is not super slick, which I like. Anyways, guys, let's go in for the final thoughts of this product in this video. Alright, so DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect. Definitely a good product. Smells good. It works, obviously, and it doesn't leave a super slippery surface behind. Me personally, I prefer that. Other people may prefer the more slippery surface. You could probably, I would test it first, but you could probably do floor mats with this as well if they're not super dirty, but yeah, it's good on all the interior surfaces you saw. Cleans the leather, cleans the dash off, steering wheel, hard plastics, all that stuff. Not streaky. So really nice stuff. Now, guys, I know interior cleaners and interior detailers are, I'm not going to say a dime a dozen, but there's no one that really does anything more outstanding than any other one that works good. They all work good. So I would definitely suggest, if you're already shopping for DIY detail and you want any of their other products, which I would definitely suggest the rinseless wash, ceramic gloss, probably my two favorite, and the gold standard polish. I would definitely get those three. Go ahead and throw this in as well. Get yourself some interior detailer if you need it, and save yourself some money there. Again, orders over $50, ship free. I got a link down in the description below with a discount code as well. Save yourself 10% off your entire order. And check it out. I've reviewed these other products as well, so you can check out those videos. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and just give me your feedback. Let me know what you think about it. Other than that, I appreciate each and every one of you watching and dealing with my inability to speak English at times. But I will see you guys all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.